Hey, it's yet another weekly Thursday TikTok live streaming on my channel. Well, basically, the primary objective that I am more consistent with my TikTok live streaming on a weekly basis because I'm inspired by my South African followers. Because over the past 2 years or so, many of them left lots of comments under one of my tutorial video about the official AliExpress affiliate program. And I discovered that many of them, due to lack of awareness in the internet space, many of them became the victims of fake online scams. Especially, I called it the fake AliExpress, which is the opposite of the official AliExpress affiliate program. So instead of me, one by one, replying to them underneath my video of their comments or even their DMs to me, I recognize that probably I have to step up a higher level of engagement by using something like a live streaming, which can be one-to-many, whereby in my live stream primarily, I can achieve two main objectives. And number one, that would be to help them to create a higher level of awareness in identifying what are actually legit and proper and official affiliate marketing business opportunities that really will pay them if they are willing to put in the effort to help to do marketing in partnership with these kind of platforms. And having the knowledge to identify what are legit and what are actually fake and potentially that are scams, I can help them to avoid being scammed again. The second main objective would be highlighting them to identify problems is not good enough. Next, the second objective would be to try to equip them with digital marketing knowledge when they want to pivot using the internet to create multiple sources of income online. So by consistently doing a pre-marketing video like this one to announce my upcoming weekly live streaming, I really hope to see more of them to come and attend my coaching session in my live stream. Because only through that we can really make an impact. And if you are watching this and you have been a victim of such scams, only through getting yourself training, raising your level of awareness, then you can prevent yourself to be scammed again. And of course, if you are my viewers from other countries, you are also most welcome into my coaching session in my live stream. And it will not be a one-way traffic. It will be a two-way interactive kind of live stream. And do come with your questions as well. And I will try to answer you to my best ability as a trainer in the digital marketing space since 2020 and in the training mentoring space, including my corporate years of 19 years plus running my own businesses over the last 10 years. Total, I have 29 years of training and mentoring people. Right? So I hope with this small information about my background, you have more confidence to make time, right, to attend my live streaming. And I'm very sure I deliver quality values to you. I look forward to seeing you in my upcoming live streaming. And last but not least, of course, I have to announce the official time. Well, if you are watching from South Africa, and I am actually from Singapore, so the Singapore local time will be at 12 a.m. midnight on Thursday, which is Friday early morning. And for South Africa, because your time zone is actually 6 hours behind Singapore time, which means that will be 6 p.m. evening time for you. I have intentionally shifted this time from my previously 10:30 p.m. Singapore local time live streaming time to shift backwards to 12 a.m. so that I can accommodate your time better. Of course, this is still a trial and error phase. I have not yet confirmed that this is the optimum time, but nonetheless, let's begin with something rather than nothing, isn't it? Right? So I will see you in the live stream.